What's up, guys? I'm John.
And I'm John.
And today, we upgraded the speaker setup and we're making a giant box fort.
And I'm John.
Alright, guys, we're gonna test the bass of the brand new sub setup.
Here's a brand new sub right here. About to be crazy.
It's shaking the whole room, bro.
Alright guys, we moved this sub over here so that we have more area for the fort. We got this hole here where the fort's gonna be. It's gonna come out here. Also, and then we're gonna get these subs. We're gonna make like a tunnel type thing that goes through here. We're gonna make a nice door over here. We're gonna have a whole floor that goes all the way around. And we're gonna have this wall go all the way along this way. We're gonna have more walls over here. Maybe a secret thing for the sub right there. We're gonna have more like things over here. Different things like to make it build out and like maybe a roof right here. Make it look really cool. And that's basically what the fort is gonna be like. I'm super excited. Let's build it.
What? I'm going deaf.
Hey, hold this up!
Okay.
Hey John, can I have the measuring tape?
I got you. Here you go.
Alright, you can take the measuring tape back.
Alright.
I can't put down a cup.
Bass is all the way
Can't
up.
put down a cup.
Is that bad?
We'll find out.
I can't put down a cup. Sipping on promethazine with lean on alone. I can't put down a cup. I can't put down a cup. I can't put down a cup. Sipping on promethazine with lean on alone. I can't put down a cup.
Hey guys.
Alright, guys, max bass test outside the room.
Hey guys, we have the fort completed. We got a big sub right under here. Come up here, check out this little table. We got a big wide open area. If you come in here, it gets a bit louder.
It's very loud in here. So as you can see, it's very loud in this room. Yeah. Alright, guys, time for some...
Disassembly. This epic fort is time to go.
What was that? Okay, no more. No.
Stop.
The feet.
I can't...
Oh, shit.
Okay, now let's safely remove the... Yeah, now it's safer.
What is that?
You're getting the shot.
Get on this side.
Guys, share these.
No,
No,
yeah,
other
on this
side.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the fort. We did some cool bass. We'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.